What's up guys? Best online deals ever, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate a product on the Microsoft Store. So if you've got a game that you want to activate on Microsoft Store, or if you've got software or whatever, and you've got a product key or an activation key that you need to use or that you want to use on the Microsoft Store, it's very simple. All you have to do is click on the Windows button here, you put Microsoft Store, go into the Microsoft Store, and literally all you have to do, guys, is click on your profile here, click on redeem code or gift cards, and then a little window will open, and all you have to do is paste your product key or your gift card code or whatever, and yeah, you put the code here, and then all you have to do is click next and then activate, and then it will activate the product on onto the account that you're connected to. So for example, this is my personal account, but yeah, just make sure that you're logged into the account you want the product to be activated on, and there you go. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to support and help the channel grow, and yeah, thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.